What's up, guys? It's Jason from Eustis Roofing. I wanted to do a quick talk about roof flashing, counter flashing. You know, a lot of times in the industry, we're telling a homeowner, yeah, we're going to put some counter flashing there, we're going to put some roof flashing here, we're going to do this, we're going to put a cricket, and you have no idea what we're talking about. So I wanted to show you guys a little bit of that so you understand as a homeowner. So on this roof, we're going to put a 50-year metal roof system on here, which is considered a lifetime. But I want to show you the most vulnerable area of this job. It's right here. So this is our flashing that's on a wall. So this is where a wall meets a roof deck. Here is your flashing, which is sometimes called L flashing. So it goes across and up behind this metal. This metal is called a counter flashing, and then it has a sealant that runs down the wall. This is a tough area for roofers because water can almost find its way anywhere in here. And you can see the caulking starting to deteriorate. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this off and we're going to put new metal in here, and then we're going to put a new counter flashing. Instead of having a groove here to caulk, we're going to grind into this here, then we're going to set the metal into the wall to kind of get away from that exposed caulking. We'll seal it when we're done, but the sealant is just an extra added protection. It's not going to be the full protection. Right now you get water in here, goes behind this, and you got a roof leak. So again, that's counter flashing and L flashing on a roof deck. And this is probably one of your most vulnerable areas on a lot of roofs. Just takes a lot of time, and that's why you see a lot of roofers don't really get it right because they're in a hurry. And this is where the details matter. So I'm going to show you one more time. We've got some sealant on it right now because we're working here and we don't want any water. So we live in Florida. We get rain all the time, so we got to keep it sealed while we're working. This right here is our high temp peel stick. I actually like this a lot. It's got a lot of grip to it. So you can see all the fibers in here. These lines actually give us a lot of grip. High temp peel and stick, super important. It's going to last just as long as the metal roof. It's going to be able to take the heat from the metal. Now, when I say heat from metal, metal is reflective. It doesn't hold heat quite like a shingle roof. So once the area cools off in the afternoon or something like that, shingles are going to still hold that heat, where metal is going to cool down. But it does have heat when you touch it. So it's important to have a high temp underlayment so it doesn't burn it away, and then any condensation that you get will start leaking. So the underlayment is just as important as the roof itself on a metal roof. Now I had an opportunity, I want to show you guys what the screw actually looks like, because there is screws, you just can't see them. Right here is one of the fasteners, and if you all the way down through here you got fasteners, but you can't see them because the panel comes and snaps into this groove. There's the fastener. That fastener is a special coated fastener that we buy. Excuse me. It's something you'll never see. You'll probably never have a problem with it, but if you can buy a better grade, why don't you? So we do. We buy the best grade in the industry, and you can see it's just a beautiful color. This is one of my favorite colors for a metal roof system. Again, there's your wall flashing over there. You probably can't see it. There's the second story. So one of the things you got to watch is all that water comes off that second story and hits that wall flashing, so it's got to be right. Here is our drip edge. Again, same color as the roof. We've got that overhang right here, so you get the water out. Now the angle and the pitch of this drip edge changes. So this is a steeper roof than most, so we changed the angle and how it fits on here so it fits tighter and better, and it just gives you a better look down through there, if you can see. So there you go, little one-on-one on roofing flashings, what they look like. Our guys are working. So here's the raw metal as it comes into the machine right here. So this runs through a bunch of roll forming dies that are in the machine, and then it comes out right here, ready to go on the roof. Pretty cool how this works. And then here's where your screws go in, and then they're non-exposed. So some one-on-one metal roofing, a little bit of information for you, the homeowner, so you can understand what we're talking about in this crazy language that us roofers talk, and you might not know it. So now you know it. Now you know what questions to ask.